Hey, hi guys. Welcome to Do With Python course video series presented by Narendra from Do With Python Technologies. In this video, we are going to see the regular expression functions find all and finditer operations. And of course, this is the third video for regular expressions. Okay, let me start that. So, how to use find all and finditer functions in regex. So we know that again basic syntax of any regex operation is this one only. Re dot your regular expression function or operation, then pattern, then string and flags, and these flags are optional. Okay, re dot finditer also, pattern, string and flags. Flags are optional. Now let me go back to your command line. Now suppose guys, let me take again same string. I want to take it. So this is a string I am going to take. Let me enter into my Python shell. Yes, and let me take my pattern. Now let me import module re. Guys, suppose if you use either search or match, okay, suppose guys, first thing, this pattern is representing 4 words, you know that. Okay, so let me modify your string because you may feel that. Now observe here, this pattern will represent 4 words. That 4 words may be in the given string or may not. That's not a problem. But your thing, you're on a particular given string, you are going to get something based on your requirement. My requirement is if anything matches this pattern, okay, that words I want. Suppose if you use either match or search, they are going to search about very particular word. That means only single word, not particular word, only single word. In these patterns, right, in this pattern, if there is any word is there, suppose let me take first list of words, right? So if you write something like this, M A E I Y E R, right? So actually this is equals to this many number of words, M A I E R, M A Y E R, M E I E R, and one more thing is M E I Y R. So that is the thing. Okay, sorry. So this word is representing this many number of words. Now these all words may be in a given string or may not. These all words may be in a given string or may not. But suppose if you use re dot match in any of these words, if there is any word, it may be either this word or this word or this word or this word. If any one of these word is starting with that word for your string, I mean if your string is starting with any word, that word may be in this list, then your match will identify that first thing. So from this list of words, is there any word with that word your given string is starting or not? That thing you can find out using match. But search from any of these words, at least is there any word in a given string, that word may be in this list. That thing you can find out using search operation. But I want to find all words for this pattern. I mean whether all these words are there in a given string or not. Then how you can find out? Now for that you have to use find all and finditer. Okay, let me do that. Suppose if I take my pattern as, right, or M A E I Y E R. Guys, you don't worry about this pattern. I will show in later videos how to write this pattern and how many words it's going to represent. Everything we will see. Now as of now I want to use re dot find all. Observe that what will happen if you use find all. So my pattern comma my string. See, actually this is representing four words. That four words, if they are there in a given string, all words it is showing. So instead of this string, suppose if you take this as your string, that means I change last word. That means one of the word may MEYR is not there in a given string. If it is not there, then it can't understand that, right? Now observe that re.findall. You are getting now only three words because actually this pattern is representing four words, right? That pattern is representing four words. If all four words are there in a given string, then it will identify. Or if any one of the word at least it is there in a given string, that word it will identify. But finally, as of now in a given string, you are having three words to satisfy this pattern. That's why find all will find out all these words directly. Okay. Then what is the use of finditer? Before going with the finditer, okay. Now let me take my pattern as my pattern as see here I am going to take my pattern as suppose something like directly friends I am taking, and you know if you use re.match for this, right, friends word is not starting with I mean your given string is not starting with friends, and even if you try to find such match operation on this, it won't give anything, it will give simply none, right? But the same way if you use search operation, yes, you are getting some object. That means there is a match, and if you want to see that match, already we know that is a friends only. But if you want to see that, yes, you can use group operation. But along with that, suppose if I use start, start operation will give the starting index of that word. Okay, suppose from here if you count, then somewhere here you will get 20 as your index. Okay, so that is guide. So if you want to find the where your required word is there in a given string, yes, you can find out using start operation. And if you want to see what is the matched word, group. If you want to find the that word position, let's use start. So from 20th index it is going to start it. Now same way if you use find all, you are going to get all your words at a time, right? Suppose if your pattern is guys, no need to take even a pattern, even you can take simply friends. Let me take this only. Now I am going to use re dot find all, but the thing is find all will find all words. Suppose friends is there two times, let me take it, that is the best way. Suppose going to make friends only. Okay, now I am going to use re dot find all your pattern in a given string. See, friends, two words, two times friends is there, yes, it's going to find out. But if you use a search, it will give very first occurred friends word only position, it won't give all words. Okay, search will give only, it will going to search whether given word is there in a given string or not. It may be in any position, even though if you are having multiple words, search won't identify all words, it will identify the first occurred word in a given string, that may be in any position. That is the operation with search. But find all will give the all matched words at a time from your given string. Yes, you are getting friends and friends, but I want to get the starting index of this and starting index of this word, how you can find out? So that thing is not possible with your find all. So for that you have to go and use finditer. So let me do that. Re dot finditer, my pattern, my string. See, previously if you observe that you are going to get some object, here also you are going to get some object, but he is saying that it is iterator. So finditer is going to give iterator, right? Iterator. That means how many words are there in findall. Suppose as of now 2 words are there. For each word it will give one object, finditer. Let me do, see, whenever there is a iterator, just use for loop. For each in re dot finditer, just observe the output first so that you can understand. Print each. Sorry, finditer. We have to complete that, right? My pattern, my string. Now try to print each value and observe that yes, you are getting two objects now. Now first object is nothing but first word of your findall. Second object is nothing but second word of your findall. Now if you want to find out the index of that each, so each dot start. Observe that yes, at a 20th already we know from such itself we can able to find out first word starting index, and second word starting index is nothing but 72, this one. So findall will give the all words at a time. Now for each word, if you want to find the starting index of your findall words, just use finditer, right? Simply finditer. So it will give the number of objects. In order to see all number of objects, you have to use this for loop. Yes, you are able to get two objects because two friends words is there, two friends words are there in a given string. Now for this, if you use dot start, you are going to get 20. For this, if you are going to use dot start, you are going to get 72. So that is the purpose of finditer and findall. So if you want to see all matched words at a time, only words, if you want to see findall, simply use dot re dot findall. So re dot findall is going to give a list. So now if you want to see for each and every word what is the starting index, then you have to use finditer, and in finditer remember that you have to use for loop like this and print each dot start. Okay, that's it guys. So that is the way how to use your finditer and findall. And important note is if you want to find the number of matched words in a given string, I don't want to see the words, number of words only I want to see. See, if you observe here, re.findall is going to give all words as a list. So for that use length operation so that it will give the number of words. Directly length of re.findall your findall your pattern, comma your string. Yes, two words are there. That's it. Okay. Okay guys, this is the importance of finditer and findall. See, if you do practice again and again, then only you can able to remember these regular expressions. So up to now you just follow whatever I am doing. Okay, by the end of this regular expressions course, you can able to understand how to use regular expressions. Okay, initially it may be somewhat difficult, somewhat confusing, but finally you can able to get that. So as of now, you just how you have to understand means what is the purpose of match. You don't worry about pattern and that words. So what is the purpose of match, search, findall and finditer. Okay, then later you can come to know how to use remaining pattern operations, how to make a pattern, everything. In my next video I will post how to make a pattern. So for that what you have to learn, everything we will discuss in next video. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel so that you will notify whenever we post some new videos. Okay, bye.